Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to my favorite community in the city of Winnipeg, Point Douglas. That's right, it's a fantastic neighborhood if you're looking to invest into the #1 value increasing neighborhood in the city. Now this property here has got a 2,200 square foot home. It is currently a duplex, but it would make a fantastic family home. We're talking 5-6 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2.5 stories. It's fantastic. But the lot right behind me here, we've got a 151 foot deep lot, fully fenced in, and you're covered on 2 sides by a park. You're on a quiet dead-end street, mostly owner-occupied. The house itself's got many great upgrades. We're going to talk about the high-efficiency furnace. We've got 200 amp electrical. We've got newer windows, PVC plumbing. So many great things going on here. We've got updated appliances. You know, you're going to love it. Not only is this property right beside undevelopable property, that beautiful green space, it also backs onto Michelle Jean Park. Now Michelle Jean Park has Norquay Community Center. We've got a beautiful splash pad, a fantastic brand new basketball court. In winter they do the hockey rink. So many great things going on around here. You've got a beautiful walking trail. My dog Lola and I walk here almost every day, right along the river, between the bridges. Fantastic location. Also, I gotta mention, Point Douglas has amazing people. You're gonna love the community. I recommend getting involved if you already live here. Well, I guess that's gonna conclude our tour here of 126 Selkirk and of Point Douglas. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give us a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor.